Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Germany adapter plug available on the market. The 1-beat 2-pack European travel plug adapter. Whether you're traveling to Germany, Italy, Spain, France, or most countries across Europe, this adapter is designed to keep your devices powered up and ready to go. This European travel adapter from 1-beat is a compact, versatile, and powerful solution for travelers who want to avoid carrying multiple adapters or power strips. Measuring just 3 by 2.4 by 1.6 inches and weighing only 0.22 pounds, it fits easily into any suitcase or travel bag without adding bulk or weight. The sleek white design offers a modern look while being sturdy enough for frequent use. What sets this adapter apart is its 6-in-1 functionality. It converts a single European Type-C outlet into 3 standard American outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. This means you can charge up to 6 devices simultaneously, perfect for your phone, tablet, power bank, camera, or any other electrical chargers you might have on the road. The maximum power capacity is 2,500 watts with a voltage range of 100 to 250 volts, and it supports 10 amps of current. This makes it compatible with a wide range of devices that use dual or multi-voltage, from laptops and cameras to other electronic gadgets. Just keep in mind, this adapter is not a voltage converter, so devices like hair dryers or electric toothbrushes need to support dual voltage to work safely with it. One of the standout features is the USB-C port, which offers fast charging capabilities up to 3 amps. The other USB ports deliver a total of 3.1 amps, with smart technology inside that auto-detects the connected devices and delivers the optimal charging speed for each. Although it's not a quick charge 3.0 port and doesn't support higher voltages required by some devices, it's ideal for the majority of USB-C chargeable gadgets on the market today. The adapter covers a broad list of European countries including Germany, Italy, France, Spain, Iceland, Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Finland, and many more. However, it's important to note that it doesn't work in the UK, Ireland, or Scotland due to their different plug standards. For convenience and safety, the adapter includes an indicator light that shows when the power is on. This small detail ensures you won't accidentally plug in devices when there's no power available, or mistakenly leave it powered when it shouldn't be. Another great point is the built-in safety features. 1-beat has designed this adapter to meet international safety standards, which gives travelers peace of mind when charging multiple devices on foreign outlets. Overall, this adapter is a solid choice for anyone visiting Germany or most European countries, especially for those who carry multiple gadgets. It saves space, offers multiple charging options, and is easy to use. Plus, the 2-pack option means you can keep one at home and take one on the go, or share it with a travel buddy. If you're planning a trip to Europe and need a reliable, multifunctional plug adapter, the 1-beat European travel plug adapter should definitely be on your list. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews and product insights. Safe travels and stay powered up.